Hello, in this video I'd like to show you a super easy Arch Linux installation with a minimal command line interface only. This is going to be using one VirtualBox system, 3 shell scripts executed in the right order and under 10 minutes. So let's get started. First, let's create a virtual machine. I'm going to call it just Arch. I'm going to assign 2 gigs of RAM. I'm going to create a virtual disk. You can make it smaller, like a USB drive. 4 gig is fine. I can just start it. Additionally, I like to go ahead and make bootable the Arch Linux ISO, which previously downloaded, and that should be everything we need to start. There's one small change here. I can definitely jump into that as soon as we get IP, just for clarity, get everybody seeing the same things. Here's the starting. Just the default ISO image for the Arch. This is starting it, and I really wish that the HCP daemon was a little faster. Seems like it takes a lot of time, but here we are. So one of the first thing I want to do is I want to do, this is 10.0.0.2.15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a little transmission to SSH into the box. That's going to work for one thing. My local host is 7. Is that right? 10.0.2.15. All right, should be fine. And now what I can do is add a user on his home directory. Change the root password, and I can actually install OpenSSH. So I use the pacman that says why OpenSSH, install the core, check for the core extra community. Absolutely, yes, I want to install. Since everything's system controller, status, HD, nothing wrong. Let's start it. And now let's take the status. Okay, we're good. I should be able now, with those changes, to SSH into the new created virtual machine. Um, that name is fine. Yes. And the new user you just created, I'm there. Okay, good deal. So that will take care of the preparation of the system. Where's my mouse? I have to find my mouse here. We'll work in this party session better. So as you do the suitors, so that people actually may be able to do without password. It's appropriate. Looks good. And let's go ahead and do preparation for the disk. So it's going to be okay. Extension device A1, and let's mount this. So we got mounted at 4 gigs, 3.7 gigs under MMT. Let's go ahead and create a folder. Keep things clean. We're in our folder in the virtual machine. So let's go ahead and take a look, see how we want to achieve this. I posted in the previous, if you remember, a while back, I posted a minimal Debian Dev Bootstrap. I created a folder for Arch. There was some annoying SSL issue on GitHub with the control M character, so I decided to go ahead and do something for easy. So removing the shell extension seems like they're protecting us from something. This is just basically a script that downloads everything that I need. I can just copy the script, the URL of the script. I can do get my script and get the script going. Once I get the script, more than 755 and execute it. So I go ahead and get all the content or the data that I need. It's all the files, of course. And this is a work in progress, so bear with me. Now, the file that we want to execute right now, because it's exclusively command line, is going to be the prereq. So let's take a look real quick to that file. Basically, just packstrap. The packstrap is going to install all this by itself. So basically, I can just do sudo. And the first script is the only one I need. Execute, and basically, indeed, what it does is just goes to the core extra community, and you start pulling all the files that actually are listed there. Basically, what is base devel, and everything that is related to that. If we go back to the file that you can actually see what it actually downloaded, you'll be able to see that the files, the prereqs, is basically the base devel, Linux firmware, group BIOS, NetTools, Network Manager, making it CPO for boot, OpenSSH, BI, wget, and htop. That's what is actually installing right now, and that's what we're doing as we go. Trying to get the kernel, trying to get all the files from the Linux installation. If you ever perform a Linux installation from scratch, you recognize all the name of those files right ahead. And this one with the package manager is doing it a lot faster, and it's getting everything situated, everything synchronized. Looks pretty neat, and I see it's making some progress. It's going really fast. Um, so far, the program has not been running a whole lot of time. We are 7 minutes and 30 seconds on the video, and still moving pretty fast. We're almost on. This is the most intense file that actually is doing all the activities. Once this is done, the next one, script number 2, is super simple. It's actually something could be done probably with Arch root, uh, Arch Linux root maybe. And the last one, just the last final touches, you'll be able to see it. It's not as complex. This definitely is the most complex script, and it's doing all the legwork, and it's done. So this is actually executed as root. So I want to do is password I assign. I want to execute the gen stuff, and now I put me the root environment, which I can actually execute the Denos chroot in the chroot environment to finish the touches. It's going to generate dog calls. It's going to ask me for a password. This is the password for my system. So I'm going to just go ahead and put something like super secret password. Yes, I want to do all that. And basically that's it. When this is finished, I'm done. I can exit from the chroot. I can shut down immediately. I don't need any more this SSH session. This is actually from the live CD. I can just force it to power off, and I can here dismount the CD. So we should be able to boot directly from the 4 gig drive. We're going to start, and starting, getting things there, starting right here, moving. There's my login. I can say root, and I'm in. I can do stop as it was installed. I can do Pacman install now script fetch, and that will demonstrate that it has connectivity. Yes, I will install all that. Download the files. It's checking for the latest updates. Everything seems to be pretty up to date. And right here, I can actually supposed to be this page. So there you go, guys. If you have a 2.2 gig installation, Arch Linux, and you're with your host file, barely we just touch the system. Couple little things, nothing going on fancy. Everything pretty straightforward. Hopefully you enjoyed, and taking off the time of explanation, I think we're right there in 10:29. Everything done within 10 minutes. Hope you enjoyed, and cheers. See you in the next video. I'll head and post one for the Plasma KDE and some of the i3 and some other cool stuff. Cheers. Stay safe with the COVID-19, please, guys, and send your comments if you like the video. Have a great day.